Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashish and today I'm going to start conditional formatting series. In this series I will tell you about the conditional formatting with different kind of examples. So we'll go to home tab and there is a conditional formatting. Here is highlighted cell rule, top, bottom rows, data bars, color scale, icon set. So I will cover all these things in today's video. So let's move on the practical. So I have this data when date, product, sales and profit margin is given. In this data, I want to highlight sales data. In the sales data, my condition is the sales figure is greater than 5,000. So I will go to home and will click on conditional formatting. The first thing comes is highlight sales rules. So here I have the conditional formatting which is greater than, so I will click on it and I will give the number 5,000. So whatever value is about 5,000, then it will automatically highlight those number. So how it is highlighting here? So it is written light red filled with dark red text. So you can change these thing like yellow or green, or if you want to customize the format, then you can go to custom format. Then it will show you format cell pop-up menu, and here you can go to fill option and you can choose your color, which color you want. Font, I want to keep my font in black, and okay. So so whatever number is above 5,000, it will show you in yellow color. That's how we can use conditional formatting. Now I have different example. So in this data I want to use a reference where I just put a number, it will show my data in color. So I have date, product, sales and profit margin. I will select sales data and go to conditional formatting and click on greater than. If I will give a reference over here, so it will tell us if the value is greater than 5,500. So it will automatically highlight the cells. I want to go in custom format, I want to highlight in different color. Then I will go to fill, choose color, then okay, then okay. So whenever I will type here, let's suppose 4,000. So the value is more than 4,000 in the sales area, it will show in color. That's how we use conditional formatting. Now I have the different example, like I have laptop or desktop, printer, mouse, pen drive. If I have selected this one, so this should be highlighted. So how we'll do it? We'll just select this column, then go to conditional formatting, click on highlight cells, or click on text that contains, because this is the text, that's why we'll go on text that contains. So it will give a laptop, so I want to give a reference, so I will select this value and change the color like green, then click ok. So wherever is my product name laptop, it will show you in green color. So if I change it desktop, it will show desktop. If I change in mouse, then it will show mouse in green color. That's how we use conditional formatting. Now moving on the next example, average. So here's here's same data, and I want to highlight top three sales figure in this data. So we'll go to home, then conditional formatting, then highlight. Sorry, I will go to top and bottom rows. So top 10 item. So I don't want 10 item, I only want top 3 items. So I will reduce the number by clicking spin button, then I will click ok. So it will highlight top 3 number in this figure. Now moving on to the another example, I want to highlight the number which is above the average. So I will select this cell, then we'll go to conditional formatting, then click on above average and OK. The number which is above average will highlight in red color. So how it is working? Let's take a average of this number. So average, I will use average and select this data and click OK. So the average $4,776. So the value is more than 4,776. It will highlight in the sales figures. So you can see that all the values greater than 4,776. That's why it is highlighting in the red color. Now moving on the next example, data bars. Like if I select this data and go to conditional formatting, and I can give you the data bars like this. The number is higher, the data bar will show you the high range. So you can see like this. So it give you a good insight that's how your data is presenting. But I have another example where I don't want to show the numbers. Means I want to show only bars, not the numbers. So how I will do it? I will just select this cell number and click and press enter, and I will drag this till down. Then I will go to conditional formatting, data bars I will use this one. And now I will go to option, so which comes manage rules. So I can go it on directly by pressing alt od. So it will give you this menu. In this menu, what you can do, you can edit rules. In edit rules, there's first option, format all cells based on their value. In this rule, you can see that you want to show only data bars only. Then you can click OK. So and click apply. So it will show you only bars, not the numbers. That's how we can show or represent our data bars. Now moving on to another example. So I have this grid. I want to give a color grid, color scales, so like numbers, like this color. The number which is on top will give you red color, then less than light red, then less than light red. Then you will change the color according to the number which is in lower position. So that's how we can color the numbers. Now we'll show you one more example. Like if I can if I select a number like rent function, like I have selected this number and go to this one, go to color scale and give the color scale this one. And this will show the how the number is presenting. And even I can use icon. So what the number is going up, what the number is going down, what the middle number. That's how we can show our grades. Now moving on to another example, which is the last example for this video. We'll go to icon. Like I have this grade number, and this grade, it should be divided into three different color, like top, middle and bottom. So I will select this one, go to conditional formatting and click on icon sets and give a directional. So the highest number will go on higher side, the lowest number will represent lower side, and the middle number will present in yellow color. So that's how we can show the data bars. So how it is defining, to understand this, we'll go to conditional formatting, manage rules. So to go to this, I will jump by pressing shortcut key Alt O D. Then I will click edit rules. Here the first rule is already selected, and here's the number. The value is greater than equal to 67 will show the green color. When value is less than 67 and greater than equal to 33, it will show the yellow color. And when it's less than 33, then it will show red color. That's how it's calculate the data bars. Okay. Now I have the category. Now I want to show only data bars, not the number. Then we'll do the same thing. I will select this and click OK, and I will press double click to drag the formula till the end. And I will go to conditional formatting, click on icon set, and choose the any number icon. So I choose the icon. Then I will go to manage rules and edit rules. Click on format all cell based on their values, and I will click on show icon only. So it will show me the only icon, not the numbers. So this will work in your dashboard. That's how your number, how your sales growth, how your data is growing up or going down. So this will represent numbers. So thanks for the today's video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share my video. If you motivate me, I will ensure you that I will give you a more informative video and make more conditional formatting series. Thank you for watching my video.